Bael fruit, also known as Aegle marmelos, wood apple, or Bengal quince, is a lesser-known tropical fruit that has been cherished for centuries in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. Native to India and Southeast Asia, Bael fruit is often underestimated in modern diets, despite offering a powerful array of nutrients and health benefits. From boosting digestion to managing diabetes and enhancing immunity, Bael fruit is an all-around superfood that deserves more attention. Its hard outer shell might make it seem tough to crack, literally, but inside, Bael fruit contains an aromatic pulp packed with fiber, vitamins, antioxidants, and essential oils. Whether consumed fresh, dried, or as a juice or tea, Bael fruit has a therapeutic reputation that's hard to rival. Number 1. Bael fruit enhances digestive health. One of the most widely recognized benefits of Bael fruit is its profound effect on the digestive system. Traditional medicine practitioners often prescribe Bael to those suffering from constipation, diarrhea, or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. The fruit contains high amounts of dietary fiber, which promotes bowel movement and helps relieve constipation naturally. Interestingly, while the ripe fruit is known to act as a mild laxative, the unripe fruit is often used to treat diarrhea and dysentery due to its strong astringent properties. This dual action makes Bael a unique and effective remedy for a range of gastrointestinal issues. In addition, Bael helps maintain gut flora balance and soothes intestinal inflammation, offering lasting relief for those with chronic digestive problems. Number 2. It supports blood sugar control. For people living with diabetes or those at risk of developing it, Bael fruit can be a helpful dietary addition. Studies have shown that the leaf extracts and fruit pulp of Bael can help lower blood glucose levels by increasing insulin sensitivity and stimulating the pancreas to produce more insulin. Bael is also rich in tannins and flavonoids, compounds known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These help protect pancreatic beta cells from oxidative stress, a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. Drinking Bael juice regularly, in moderation, may support more stable blood sugar levels and reduce dependency on medication over time, though it should never replace prescribed treatment without medical supervision. Number 3. It boosts immunity. In today's world, where we're constantly exposed to environmental toxins and pathogens, strengthening our immune system is more crucial than ever. Bael fruit contains a significant amount of vitamin C, which is a potent immune booster. Vitamin C enhances the production of white blood cells, helping your body fight off infections more effectively. Additionally, Bael is rich in polyphenols and other plant-based compounds that have antimicrobial and antiviral effects. Regular consumption of Bael can thus reduce the frequency and severity of common illnesses like colds, flu, and throat infections. In Ayurvedic texts, Bael is also praised for its ability to purify the blood and remove toxins, further supporting overall immune function. Number 4. Bael has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many modern diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Bael fruit possesses strong anti-inflammatory properties thanks to its high content of bioactive compounds like marmelosin and coumarins. These compounds inhibit the production of inflammatory mediators in the body, such as prostaglandins and cytokines. For people suffering from joint pain or inflammatory bowel diseases, Bael can act as a natural, side effect-free remedy. Regular consumption may also contribute to reduced swelling, pain, and redness associated with inflammation. Number 5. It promotes heart health. Bael fruit plays a supportive role in maintaining cardiovascular health. It helps reduce cholesterol levels, particularly LDL, bad cholesterol, which can clog arteries and lead to heart disease. At the same time, it supports the increase of HDL, good cholesterol, which helps in clearing cholesterol deposits from blood vessels. The potassium content in Bael also contributes to better heart health by regulating blood pressure and relaxing blood vessels, reducing the risk of stroke and heart attack. Antioxidants in Bael protect the heart from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are key contributors to cardiovascular issues. Number 6. It helps detoxify the body. Your liver plays a critical role in detoxifying your body, and Bael fruit supports this process naturally. It's known for its hepatoprotective, liver-protecting properties and is commonly used in traditional medicine to treat liver disorders such as jaundice and fatty liver disease. The antioxidants in Bael assist the liver in neutralizing free radicals and filtering out harmful substances. Moreover, Bael has mild diuretic properties, which help flush out toxins through urine. Drinking Bael juice can serve as a gentle detox that leaves you feeling lighter and more energetic. Number 7. Bael supports skin health. Thanks to its detoxifying and antioxidant-rich profile, Bael fruit can do wonders for your skin. Toxins and inflammation often manifest as skin problems like acne, eczema, or dull complexion. By purifying the blood and improving digestion, Bael helps treat these issues at the root level. Vitamin C also promotes collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Applying Bael leaf paste topically or consuming Bael juice may help you achieve clearer, more radiant skin over time. Number 8. It offers relief from respiratory problems. Bael is a natural expectorant and can be very helpful in relieving respiratory issues such as asthma, bronchitis, and sore throat. The fruit's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial compounds work to clear out mucus from the respiratory tract, reduce inflammation in the airways, and fight off bacterial or viral infections. Traditional remedies often include Bael leaf decoctions to soothe chronic cough and improve breathing. With no harsh chemicals or artificial ingredients, Bael serves as a gentle yet effective respiratory aid, especially during the colder months. Number 9. Bael supports weight management. If you're trying to manage your weight in a healthy and sustainable way, Bael fruit can be a helpful addition to your diet. It's low in fat and calories while being high in fiber, which makes it filling and satisfying. This helps reduce hunger pangs and minimizes the urge to snack between meals. Moreover, the digestive benefits of Bael, such as preventing bloating, aiding in proper nutrient absorption, and promoting regular bowel movements, can enhance your overall metabolic health. Drinking Bael juice in the morning or before meals may aid digestion and contribute to better portion control. Number 10. It has mild anti-cancer properties. Though more research is needed, early studies suggest that Bael fruit might offer protective effects against certain types of cancer. Its high levels of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids and coumarins, help neutralize free radicals that can damage DNA and trigger the development of cancerous cells. Some laboratory studies have indicated that Bael extracts may inhibit the growth of cancer cells, especially in cases of breast and colon cancer. While it's not a standalone cure, incorporating Bael into a balanced diet rich in plant-based nutrients may help reduce cancer risk over time. Bael fruit may not be as trendy as acai berries or matcha lattes, but it holds an ancient reputation that has stood the test of time, and for good reason. With its powerful digestive benefits, immune-boosting properties, and ability to support everything from blood sugar to heart health, Bael is truly a multifaceted superfruit. Whether you consume it as juice, tea, or fresh pulp, Bael offers a natural and effective way to enhance your overall well-being. As always, it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement or herb to your routine, especially if you're on medication or have a chronic condition. But for most people, Bael fruit is a simple, accessible, and delicious way to reconnect with nature's pharmacy. Give it a try, and let this ancient remedy work its quiet magic on your modern-day health. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.